G'day guys, Ninja here. I've got Jace here on the table. We're going to do part of my refresher series, so my money spots. I'm going to do the hamstring money spot today. So it's more of a demonstration kind of one, so showing you where we have to go sometimes to get somebody right. So a lot of times these spots aren't in the most convenient places for a bodyworker to get into, but if you're going to be effective, you need to be able to get right into the source of their pain. So sometimes it's right up here, where my thumbs are buried right in here, where the hamstring is joint onto that sit bone, and we need to be able to pin and hold it and get on angles like this so we can really get in there. So with money spots, we coined them because they are bang for buck. If you can kind of effectively treat into money spots, lots of other things can unravel, especially the pain and dysfunction, but you can also help people to stay on the park. So that's one of the main things we kind of adhere to here. We never miss training, we never miss footy really, because we're always clearing these spots out and not letting them build up. So yeah, the reason I'm kind of doing all the refresher at the moment is because if you are a body worker out there or a physical therapist and you want to learn all these kinds of techniques and how to be really effective, you know, if you do want to treat high level athletes or even just low level athletes, get them on the park. We've got the goods, got the stuff that can help you really get people back out there. How you going, Jace?
It's good, Ninja. Yeah. Feels good up there,
yeah.
Just as you scoop down there, feels like a good, in there, which is a typical sort of hammy, high hammy that a lot of athletes and, people that train a lot, they get a bit of soreness up there, and that can lead to strains and issues down in the muscle belly itself.
Yep.
So it is important to get this work done.
Yeah.
When's your next intake, Ninja? You've got a couple running throughout the year.
Yeah, so we run them in February and August each year, the online one. So they're 14-week programs. You get all our content in the Bodywork Bible. So that's about 60 hours of content, 150 videos. We treat all over the body very comprehensively. And you'll see the student treat me as well in that as well. So you can kind of see somebody attempting to do the body work, and we kind of give them guidance, corrections and stuff like that as they're going. So the way we filmed it, I did a demonstration on Jace. So
plenty of you treating me in there, isn't there, Ninja?
Yeah. So Jace copped all the treatment first, and then Leon got it, our student at the time. He's a couple of year veteran now, and then, or 3 years, I think. And then
he treated you.
He treated me. So you get to watch that. So it's like, so you get to anything we missed on the first demonstration, we can kind of clear up on the second one, and then you can watch somebody attempt it, and we can guide them through it. So with the online course, you tune into webinars every week. So we have 14 weeks of webinars, an hour and a half webinar. So we try and get a time where people can watch it live anywhere in the world. But if you can't, we do record them and you can watch it later. But the webinars are really cool because you can, tell about your own experiences. You can ask us questions. We do live demonstrations, and we do a bit of philosophy about bodywork and business, and then personal development, professional development kind of stuff.
All the stuff that goes into being a bodyworker. Is that right, Ninja?
That's it. That's where Aaron and myself come into our own. We kind of love talking the philosophy and sharing our experience, our wisdom, not how to bloody speak.
No, that's not in there.
No. Maybe Aaron can do that component, but it won't be me.
You stick to the demonstrations. That's right, isn't it, Ninja?
Yeah. Know your strength.
Play to your role.
Yeah. So I'm just going to go up in here. So you're not very good for camera, but
I'll try
Can we get in there a bit, Jace? I'm just going to get right up like an inside hammy.
Oh.
Yeah. So you need to go right up under that bone. So that's where you need to get to sometimes to give the person that relief that they need, because they've got over-scarring, got a trauma in this area here, say, and then You know, if you don't touch it, you don't engage with that tissue, how's it going to change? So our main philosophy here is clean first, build second, live free. So what we mean by that is we need to do the plumbing work first, the clearing out of the blocks where you're stuck, and we can kind of help people with that on physical level first, but also a conceptual level by building that relationship and that trust, that bond with a person. We can kind of help them if the your physical pain is manifested through some sort of trauma, that's happened in your life as well. So you can get to that kind of level with a good practitioner as well. So you can kind of dig that out. So the clearing first, and then we build back. So we look at pure biomechanics. So that's why we're right into our barefooted training, and just the barefoot lifestyle as well kind of helps you be pure with your movement. So it just becomes apparent when you're in bare feet how to move around, because if you're landing poorly in bare feet, it bloody hurts. So
you really feel it, don't you, Ninja?
Yeah. So we want you to use the shock absorbers that are inbuilt into your body, and then you're on the way to being more graceful.
Move more efficiently.
Yeah, and there's just a freedom in that. We love our training, don't we, Jace?
Yeah, it's great. It's a big part of our week and our lifestyle, and big part of what we teach a lot of our clients that do come in, whether they've got pain or dysfunction or postural issues. The treatment's a big part, but also, the movement and how you're moving and training, and you don't have to train 6 days a week. You can just got to do quality stuff. So we're well aware of where people's lives are at and what people prioritise, and it's just getting, again, bang for buck, like our money spots. Our training is what's going to give people the best results, possible. So, we go with the main exercises that are going to give people the best relief and build that strength or movement.
And confidence.
Confidence in your own body. It's a lot of the time, if you've had pain for a long period of time, or even if you've just had repeat hamstring issues, you start to lose confidence and you sort of start to think, when's the next one going to go? Or
we don't want people to stop trying and not participate in life, not do the things that they really want to do. So that's what we're all about, getting you back and getting you confident.
Good one in there.
So just get into that. So I'm just getting in on a different angle on this one. Right into there.
You can also use elbow in here, can't you, Ninj?
Yeah.
For those that might not have as big a thumbs as you.
Yeah.
The big toe. Yeah. The big toe thumb.
Yeah. I just thought even though it's not that great, it's actually better to see the thumbs in there. You can kind of see what I'm doing a bit more, but with the elbows you see even less. It's sort of a bit more blocked, but Anyway, I reckon that's
there it is.
Demonstration. So that's what you need to do if you want to keep someone, get someone out in the park that's been injured, high hamstring, maybe even low glute. I think we've done a bit of that kind of stuff in the past as well, where people can overlook other things that are attaching onto that sit bone. But high hamstring work, it will set you apart as a practitioner if you can be effective right up high. You can engage with the tissue that is stuck and blocked and scarred, traumatized. We can show you how to get it done. So get back out in the park.
Let's do it.
I reckon. Done.
Good one, Ninj.